London,
Descriptive Bella.
England.
We are in London, capital of England. It's very old,
Very.
older than America.
Way.
We were just at Buckingham Palace, and we stood on this thing. We're still here. And now we're going to go take another picture in front of the mall, which is a long strip that goes up to Buckingham Palace. The Queen's in, Bella's here, Jordan's here, I'm here, we've had our coffee, we're going to go there, then we're going to go to Camden, then we're going to eat some food in Camden, and then we're probably going to come back
To here.
This central
Area.
and then we're going to get cocktails, and then we'll probably get some more cocktails at a different place, and then we'll probably get some more cocktails, and then we may eat something at some point. Then we're going to get the train back home, and that takes about 2 hours. And then after that, during that, we'll probably nap. Probably listen to some music. And then we'll probably then get to the train station. And then we're probably going to walk from the train station back to our house. From my house.
And then we're going to stay up till 4 in the morning.
Then we're probably going to stay up for a little while. Maybe watch a movie. Then we have some snacks. And then after that, we'll probably start getting ready for bed. I normally start by brushing my teeth. And then go to the bathroom. You know, don't want to wake up in the bathroom.
That would be bad.
Ruin sleep. And then we'll probably get into bed. Me and Jordan in the same room, so we'll probably talk a little bit. And then probably cuddle a little
Definitely
bit.
cuddle.
And then I'll switch the light off. And then I'll get my iPad out. Pull something up to watch to fall asleep to.
Like you usually do.
And like I usually do. And then the Bella goes in the other room. So she'll be doing probably the same sort of thing.
But
the female.
Not an iPad.
Oh,
female.
Headphones.
I use headphones, so I'll put my headphones in.
We both use headphones.
Both use headphones.
I can never hear anything you're saying.
And then we will then probably close our eyes and
Pause.
sleep.
Someone's dead. Resume.
And then probably close my eyes and try and get some sleep. I may dream about something.
By that time, it's probably what, 5?
Probably dream. Probably toss around a little bit.
We're doing absolutely nothing tomorrow.
And then let's go around Hastings. So then what we'll probably do in Hastings.
Jish,
Yeah.
where are we going?
We are going to Half Man, Half Burger, which is down by the seafront.
Okay.
And then what we're probably going to do is we're probably going to meet my mum.
Mm-hmm.
And then we'll probably meet her by the statue.
Mm-hmm.
And then after we've done that, we'll probably wander along the seafront, maybe go on the pier.
Mm-hmm.
Who knows? Didn't bring pound coins. Jordan still might have some.
Mm-mm.
No.
Nope.
And Bella might need to get more layers, which is a little bit frustrating because we left the house. We were heading to get food, which I would really like.
Yeah, I agree.
And yeah. Anyway, so after that, we might go do a photo strip.
Huh?
And then we might wander into the old town.
Cool.
Go and see what's going on down there. Maybe go into the brush shop.
Mm.
If you're lucky.
Mm.
Might go on the West Hill.
Mm.
Probably wander around. There'll probably be a coffee break somewhere.
Hope so.
Maybe also use the toilet.
Maybe a
Um,
pint break.
Maybe a pint break.
Mm.
Who knows? We'll see what happens.
Gotta make the last day count, right?
Yeah, and then we'll probably maybe go and see Dad and or
Pops?
maybe, yep, and then probably come back home and
Pack
have,
and-
have some dinner, pack. And so then Jordan will what he probably does when he packs is he puts his socks in first, then his underwear, then his shorts, then his one t-shirt, then his one hoodie, and his hat, and he's done.
Pretty much. Lego. We are we're packing. I'm packing to go home.
I'm packing to go to Essex.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And yeah, this was our last night. And we got a little, you know. Oh yeah. Forgot about Dre. That's right. Yeah, this is our last night. It's been a great 2 weeks. Yeah. Well, farewell. Next time I see you, you'll be an American. Well, you'll be in America for good. Married.
2 years.
Wow.
2 years.
2 years. And then I'll never see you again. Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.